Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Now, the other thing that we'll explain is the osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure. Now, osmotic pressure, this is the pressure that would be applied to stop osmosis from taking place. So in other words, we are saying that during osmosis, the water molecules move from the hypotonic solution to the hypertonic solution, from where there is high concentration of water to where there is low concentration of water. But if we want to stop that osmosis from taking place, then we need to apply a force that is equal to the force that is drawing the water molecules from the hypotonic solution. So that pressure is known as osmotic pressure. So you can say that this is the pressure applied to stop the movement of water molecules from a hypotonic solution to a hyper So the pressure applied to stop the movement of water molecules from a hypotonic solution to a hypertonic solution, or we can say that basically to stop osmosis from taking place. And what determines the osmotic pressure? The osmotic pressure is determined by how different are the two concentrations. What is the concentration gradient between the two solutions? So if the difference in concentration between the two solutions is very high, then of course the osmotic pressure will also be very high. So you need to apply a lot of pressure to stop osmosis from taking place. So you can say that the higher the concentration gradient between two solutions, the higher the osmotic pressure. The higher the osmotic pressure. Then we can also say that osmotic pressure can be measured using an instrument called osmometer. So the osmometer measures the osmotic pressure that is in existence between two solutions. So basically what you have said that osmotic potential is the hidden pressure. It has the potential, so it is hidden. Is the hidden pressure of a concentrated solution that only becomes real when the solution is separated from distilled water using a semi-permeable membrane or by a semi-permeable membrane. So in this case, it shows that a concentrated solution has some pressure, but we cannot realize that pressure until we bring in another solution of lower concentration so that now osmosis can take place. Osmotic pressure This is the pressure applied to stop the movement of water molecules during osmosis, the pressure that stops osmosis from taking place. And this osmotic pressure is higher with, or it increases with the concentration gradient. If the concentration gradient between two solutions is very high, as in one solution is very highly concentrated, the other one is very low, then it means that the osmotic pressure is very high. But if the two solutions have almost the same concentration, then the osmotic pressure is lower.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers,